Questions you need to ask your mortgage lender in 2026 and the wrong answers. Your mortgage lender is about to answer your questions, and some of those answers are going to be complete BS. And I'm going to tell you exactly what to ask and exactly what a wrong answer sounds like. Because the wrong lender with the wrong answer will cost you big. Hi there, I'm Ella Gurfinkel, 30 years in the mortgage business, over 2,000 families served, and I've been on both sides of this table and I know every trick in the book. So today, I am handing you the playbook, so use it. Here's the problem. Most people walk into a lender conversation and ask one question: what's my rate? That is the wrong question, or at least it's an incomplete one, because the rate is just one piece of a very complicated puzzle. And lenders who want to close your deal fast and move on, they're counting on you not knowing what else to ask. So I'm going to give you the right questions, the real ones, and I'm going to tell you what a red flag answer sounds like, so you know when to walk out the door. Here is why this matters right now in 2026 more than ever. Non-bank lenders control 68% of the mortgage market. That means most of you are not going to a bank. You're going to a lender or a broker. And while that's actually a good thing in most cases, it also means the range of quality is enormous. I've seen loan estimates where origination charges hit $14,700 on a $315,000 loan. I've seen bait and switch rate quotes delivered by email with zero documentation to back them up. I've seen buyers get locked into lenders mid-transaction who couldn't deliver and almost lost their earnest money. The questions I'm about to give you, they are your shield. So here goes. Question number one. Can you give me a full written fee sheet right now? Wrong answer. Sure, I'll send something over later. And then they send you a one-line email with a rate and no breakdown. Right answer. A multi-page estimated fee sheet showing origination charges, points, prepaids, closing costs, everything itemized. If they can't produce that before you're in contract, you got a problem. Question number two. How much is this rate actually costing me in points? Wrong answer. Oh, that's just the standard rate. Don't worry about it. Right answer. A clear explanation of whether you're paying discount points, what 1 point equals, which is 1% of your loan amount, and what your break-even period looks like. On a $500,000 loan, 1 point is $5,000. 2 points is $10,000. You need to know this before you sign anything. Question number three. What's my realistic closing timeline and what could delay it? Wrong answer. Oh, we can close in 15 days, no problem. Right answer. An honest breakdown of the process. Appraisal timing, underwriting conditions, the 3-day waiting periods triggered by certain disclosures, employment verification. A lender who promises a 15-day close without asking a single question about your file is either lying or setting you up for failure. Question number four. Will my credit be pulled again before closing? Wrong answer. Nah, you're already approved, you're good. Right answer. Yes. On conventional loans, a refresh or a soft credit pull happens right before closing. New debt, missed payments, new inquiries, all of it can affect your approval at the finish line. A good lender tells you this up front and tells you exactly what not to do between approval and closing. Question number five. What happens if the appraisal comes in low? Wrong answer. That won't happen, don't worry. Right answer. A real explanation of your options. Reconsideration of value, restructuring the financing, splitting the difference with the seller, or walking away. A lender who dismisses this question has never had to rescue a deal. And trust me, you want someone who has. Question number six. Are you a broker, a direct lender, or a bank? Wrong answer. Confusion, deflection, or does it matter? Right answer. A clear explanation of what they are and what that means for your options. A broker shops multiple lenders. A direct lender underwrites in-house. A bank has limited programs. Knowing this tells you how much flexibility they actually have when things get complicated. The right lender will welcome every single one of these questions. The wrong lender will get uncomfortable. That discomfort, that's your answer. Book a free call with me. Link is below. I'll answer all of these and then some. No pressure, just real talk. See you in the next one.